Ngelinye ihlandla godu leli, I-Eskom ibetha isandla phezu kwesinye, ithi chebe ngokubhalelwa ukwenza ukuthi igezi ihlale ikhona. Insetshenziswa zayo ezidala nezingathembeki kusolo zisadose emhlweni nakufanele ziphakele igezi. Isikhulu se-Eskom sithi nakufanele kuqinisekiswe ukuthi wonke amahlelo ayalungiswa. Kufanele baphakamise ihlelo lokunande bayiqintelisa igezi.
The extended period of stage 2 load shedding is necessitated by the breakdown of a number of generation units, the late return of other units that have been under planned maintenance, and the fact that over the past 4 days we have significantly depleted our reserves of both diesel and water in our pumped storage facilities.
I-Eskom ithi kuqaphazeleke namapower wayo amabili aphehla igezi, ikusile esakhiwako kunye neKendal. Lokho kwaliyeka kwabangela nokuthi kuRiyade namanye amapower ethuthuka, eduva, elithabo neGrootvlei, amapower abhalelwa ukuphakela igezi.
We do have challenges at Kendal still. These are big units at Kendal, 640 megawatts. As we speak, only 4 is run. I saw a little bit earlier that the one unit has synchronized early this morning, about an hour ago. So, but Kendal remains also a challenge for us.
I-Eskom ithi nokho akukho kumbi abakusola ngentshijilo zayo zamva nje.